Here's the lid taken off. Got the 2-inch polystyrene wrapped in cedar. And under that, on all of them, that is this styrofoam box that I turned into a viewing box, copying Vino Farms. And there we have, this is my first set that I got, the Italian bees. And they're still building their comb, so I'm still feeding them sugar. Well, syrup. And then down here, a hive that was already ready to start trying to make honey. We're going to try out the flow hive, see how it does, whether I need to go back to regular. Stand in the sun. Pretty active cleaning it out and just starting to barely fill it right here. Let's take a look at this side. There they are, going to work, cleaning it out. Do the same for this side. Yep. So I got 3 hives with flow hives on there right now, and the rest aren't ready for them. We'll see how it goes.